Good morning, everybody. I am out in the winter garden today, and I just wanted to go over a few different vegetables that have been frost resistant this winter. Ooh, we have a surprise guest. Here in Zone 8A, down here in Georgia, I have been planting all different types of vegetables to see what we can grow this year. Now, all of these varieties have been frost resistant, so I'm just gonna go over a few of them, and that way you should have the essentials in your winter garden. So for the past few mornings here in Georgia, all of these have been frosted over. I know it's crazy, and you're looking at them now and you're kind of like, wait, those actually kind of look perfect? Yeah, I know. And it's because, you know, I don't know if I want to say that they're frost resistant varieties, but these are going to be winter vegetables that you should always have in your winter garden, right? And so these are actually going to grow better when the weather is colder. This is going to be cabbage, bok choy. We have some broccoli, cauliflower going right here, and then a bunch of peas, Swiss chard, and then 4 different kales over here. It's important to note that I did create a growing guide for everybody about winter vegetables and summer vegetables and how to plant them, because we want to start planning our summer garden now. So yeah, these are just a few different varieties that are frost resistant that every single gardener should have in their garden, whether it's kale, Swiss chard, broccoli, cauliflower. I want to do a Brussels sprout. I'm thinking about like kind of ripping out the bok choy or even the Swiss chard because I don't really like Swiss chard. I want to give it to my mom and then maybe plant some more things because all of these are frost resistant, right? So I can keep planting in the winter down here in Georgia in Zone 8A. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions on what I should grow and stuff like that, let me know down in the comments, and I will see you when we start planning our spring garden. I forgot to show everybody the root vegetables. I always forget. Okay. Whoa. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.